own a digital marketing agency with the name Digital Dynamics, and here on my screen you can see a Facebook page for the same. So now here to receive new leads for my business, I'm running some meta ads, and I wanted to automatically capture my meta ads leads, add them in my Google Sheets as a new row with proper details, and also create a new contact for the same in my Google Contacts. But now manually doing this entire process is going to take a lot of time. That's where I got up an amazing automation solution that allowed me to capture my each and every new meta ad leads, add them in my Google Sheets automatically without any error, and also add them as a new contact in my Google Contacts with the right details. Yes, you heard it right. I have set up this entire automation using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, where I've connected my Facebook lead ads with my Google Sheets and Google Contacts. So now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this simple automation for your meta ads leads too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Now here you can see two options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. Or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I've got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Also, I can assure you here that you are going to get maximum discount if you're using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. Okay, so now you have to signing in. You can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we are going to create a workflow first, and here you can see three methods. First, if you want to build a workflow step by step, select create from scratch. To build a workflow completely using AI prompts, use create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, use quick builder. Here we are going to start a fresh chat, and it is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this quick workflow builder. Let me add it. It says when a new lead comes in from Facebook lead ads, add it to Google Sheets and Google Contacts. After analyzing my request, it is asking which Facebook lead ads trigger should start this workflow. So we're going to select new lead instant, and for Google Sheets, select add a new row, and for Google Contacts, create contact. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create, and here we have received our workflow link. So with this, we have successfully created a workflow using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up a trigger. Here I've selected app and the app event, and now we are going to build a new connection first. Let's click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account, and then we are going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we're now successfully connected. Here I easily got connected because here I was already logged into my account in the same browser. Then it is asking for a page name and the lead gen form. So I'm going to select my page that I have with the name Digital Dynamics, and for lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So from here we are going to access the same, and under Meta Business Suite we are going to select all tools. Under all tools, we are going to select instant forms. Now under this lead ads form, you can see the multiple forms that we have with different names. In this case, we are going to use this top form that we have already created. You can create the form as per your requirement. Let me select same from the drop down. Here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. Now after selecting the page and the lead gen form, we are going to update this response format to simple because I want to receive the response response in a simple organized format. Then we are going to click on the save and send test request, and you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a response we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to generate a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So to generate the test lead inside our Meta ads, let me take you to Meta for Developers. Using Meta for Developers, we are going to try lead ads testing tool by Meta to generate the test lead. For that, click on this resources, select developer tools, and under developer tools you need to select lead ads RTO debug tool. So this is the lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here we are going to select our page as digital dynamics, product as lead retrieval, and our form. So now we are going to click on this preview form, and here you can see we have some questions over here. So here I'm going to fill the details. For the industry, let's select real estate services. For services, we have select SEO. Monthly budget as 50,000 to 1 lakh. For the business name, let's enter XYZ. Let's click on this continue. Then here you can see your email address, full name, and the phone number. So I'm going to update these details. For the email, I'm going to enter it as demo@pabblytudes.com, full name as demo user, and a random phone number. Then we are going to click on this continue and then submit. You can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And you can see instantly a new response has been received over here, where we have received the industry, service entrusted, budget, business name, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Once we have received the new lead, we are going to add the detail in our Google Sheets as a new row. For that, we are going to build a new connection. For that, we are going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then we are going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we're now successfully connected. Then here it is asking us for a spreadsheet and the sheet. So I have my spreadsheet with the name new leads and my sheet as sheet 1. Then here it is asking for a name, email, contact, and some other fields. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that I'm going to receive a new lead from Meta ads. Automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter /post. Then here we are going to map the name of our lead. Here we are going to map the email address. Then we are going to map the contact number. Similarly, we are going to map these details as well. Alright, after adding the details, we are going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new detail in our Google Sheets. Let's go and check it, and you can see a new detail has been added over here successfully. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now we are going to create a new contact for the same in our Google Contacts. So this time we are again going to build this connection, but this time we are going to select an existing connection because we have already connected our Google account with Pabbly Connect in our previous action step. Now here it is asking for first name, middle name, last name, and some other details. So here, as you can see, that we have received the full name together, but here we need to add the first name and last name separately. In that case, what we are going to do is that we are going to split the text using text formatter by Pabbly. It is a feature offered by Pabbly, and for the app event we are going to select split text. Then we are going to build a connection. It is asking for text to split. I'm going to split the name, so I'm going to use that. And for the separator, it is asking enter the characters, special characters are allowed, or word separator to split the text. For space as a separator, use space. So I want space as a separator. Let's copy it and add it over here. For segment index, select all and click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received the first name and the last name separately. I'm going to map the same over here. So for the first name, we are going to map the first name, and then middle name is not required. We are going to leave it blank. Here we are going to map the last name. Again, these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave it blank. For gender, select unspecified. Here we are going to map the email address. Then here we are going to map the business name. Moving forward, again these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave it blank. Here we're going to map the phone number, and again these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. Here for the event type, we are going to turn on this map button, and then we are going to leave it blank because it is not required one. Same goes with the relationship type, and then you're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact inside our Google Contacts. Let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it, and you can see a new contact has been created over here successfully. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Google Sheets, text formatted by Pabbly and Google Contacts, so that when you're going to receive a new lead from Meta Ads, instantly that detail is going to be added in our Google Sheets. Then using text formatted by Pabbly, it is going to split the full name into first and last name separately, and then it is going to add it as a new contact inside our Google Contacts. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to automatically capture your Meta Ad leads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.